My child, if you want to be more successful, focus your mindset on all you want to attract into your life. Trust that more is happening than what you can see. Many forces are working in your favor. Trust yourself. Value yourself worth more. You are perfect exactly as you are. If anyone thinks differently, that's on them. Their opinions doesn't matter. What really matters is what you think of yourself. We see you with pure love. Whenever you talk to us, it is always heard. This is your confirmation that we are assisting and guiding you at all times. We are always with you. Be patient, everything will come together for you. Appreciate where you are right now. Stop the self-doubt. Look back at all that you have achieved and gotten past. You are more capable than you realize. Give yourself the credit you rightfully deserve. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.